Today we are in Dubrovnik.
Dobrodošli and welcome! The pretty port city Dubrovnik is one of the top destinations in Croatia. Not only since Game of Thrones was shot here, we will show you all highlights as usual in 5 minutes. Dubrovnik from the air. On the drive from the airport, there's the first wow moment, and here we go.
Start your tour with a walk along the city wall. The tour lasts 1 hour.
It's best to take trainers with you, you'll have to walk a lot here. Well, there are a lot of tourists around us. Block them out and enjoy the views.
We recommend the Dubrovnik card. The entrance fees are greatly reduced.
Dubrovnik is great for a weekend getaway. The city is not very big and can be reached from many cities in Europe in only 2 hours.
The Cathedral of Dubrovnik, like the Old Town, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
Many walking tours lead to this flight of steps. It's best known from the US series Game of Thrones.
If you manage to stand on a figure with both feet and outstretched arms, your wish will come true.
Next on our list is traditional Croatian dance.
On the menu you will find fish and many different seafoods, but also meat such as cevapcici. These are grilled minced meat rolls.
Dubrovnik, the pearl of the Adriatic Sea. This is our highlight for a romantic sunset.
Lokrum is only a few hundred meters from the Old Town. The small uninhabited island offers a lot to see.
We love the nature. In contrast to the Old Town, it's really quiet here.
Today it is very hot up here, the sun is shining, but the view is breathtaking.
Lokrum is an oasis of green. There are also many small bays for bathing and relaxing, ideal for nudists. And you can also do sports on Lokrum.
From June to August is the high season in Dubrovnik, with May and September attracting fewer tourists, but the temperatures are more pleasant. With the Dubrovnik card you can make a day trip to CAVTAT. It is a small harbor town with many small fish boats in this breathtaking scenery.
Next level.
After having already seen so much, we wanted to admire the scenery from a different angle by having taken a dip.
Next level.
And one final tip at the end.
Get into the gondola and drive up the highest elevation in Dubrovnik.
From the local mountain Shirt, you have this astonishing view of the whole city and the sea. Adieu Dubrovnik!
If you want to see more such videos, subscribe us on Facebook, YouTube and Instagram.